Welcome back again, students. Today we shall discuss about PPT 17, that is session 17. In PPT 17 and session 17, you are going to learn about the concept of phase modulation and the comparison between FM and PM, the comparison between AM and FM. What is the comparison between frequency modulated and phase modulated? Today we shall discuss about phase modulation first, then we will compare this with the frequency modulation we have already discussed. And also we have already discussed AM modulation. Therefore, let us compare AM modulations with the frequency modulation. These are the learning objective we are going to study in the study material 17. What is phase modulation? Actually, you know that modulation is the process of mixing up of this high frequency with low message signal frequency. This is our message signal frequency. This is high frequency which will carry the low frequency. It is called carrier signal frequency. Since this high frequency is used for the purpose of radio communication, this carrier signal is also called radio frequency signal. So the process of mixing up of this with respect to this amplitude variation of the message signal is called modulation. You know that this has three parameters, that is carrier frequency Fc, carrier amplitude Ec, and carrier phase angle pi c. In phase modulation, the phase angle pi c of this carrier signal is varied in accordance with the amplitude of this modulating signal, keeping frequency and carrier amplitude remains constant. So in phase modulation, only the phase angle of this carrier is varied in accordance with this modulating signal, while carrier frequency and carrier amplitude are kept constant. Now I will represent this carrier signal as, this is voltage Em against time t. I will represent this carrier signal as Ec with respect to time. The equation of this modulating signal or message signal is Em is equal to Em of sine of omega mt. Equation of this carrier signal is Ec is equal to capital Ec, where capital E is its amplitude Ec, into sine of omega ct plus some angle, that is phase angle of this carrier signal. Here in frequency modulation, the Fc, where omega c is nothing but 2 pi Fc. In frequency modulation, Fc of this carrier signal is varied in accordance with Em. In phase modulation, the phase angle pi c is varied in accordance with this modulating signal Em. Therefore, these two frequency and phase angles are within the angle of sine. Therefore, this frequency modulation and also the phase modulation is also called angle modulation. Angle modulation. In amplitude modulated wave, this amplitude is varied in accordance with Em. This is not in the angle. Therefore, amplitude modulation is not angle modulation. The carrier frequency and the phase frequency is in the angle of this carrier signal. Therefore, both frequency modulations and angle modulations are called angle modulations. Since both are angle, the expression for frequency modulation is same as the expression for phase modulations. We know that the expression for frequency modulation is given by EFM is equal to EC into 1 plus MF into cos of omega ct into sine of omega mt. In phase modulations, you get EPM is equal to EC into 1 plus MP cos of omega ct into sine of omega mt. Only thing is MF is modulation index, and MP is called modulation index is phase modulation. MF is the modulation index in frequency modulation. These two only changes because both are angle modulations, and you have already obtained an expression for the frequency modulated signal. Here in the phase modulation, the expression is same, where MP is called modulation index in the phase modulations. This is the phase modulation. Now, let us discuss the difference between frequency modulation and phase modulation, and also the difference between AM modulation and FM modulations. I will list the difference here. You can write any four main difference in the examinations. In the frequency modulation wave, this is the expression for frequency modulated wave. For phase modulation, this is the expression for phase modulated wave. See, both are same, except it has MF here, it has MP here. That is the only difference. In frequency, deviation is proportional to modulating voltage. In frequency modulation, the frequency delta is directly proportional to EM. That is, after modulation, the frequency changes. This change in frequency is called deviation. This change in frequency modulation is directly proportional to the modulating voltage. Therefore, delta is proportional to EM. Here in phase, the phase deviation is proportional to the modulating voltage. That is, delta pi, the phase deviation, is proportional to the modulating voltage. That is, here the frequency is varied in accordance with EM. Here the phase angle pi is varied in accordance with EM. And associated with the change in FC, there is some phase change also. Associated with the changes in phase, there is some change in frequency also. Next, MF is proportional to the modulating voltage as well as the modulating frequency FM here, where MP is proportional to only the modulating voltage here. That is, MP, modulation index in phase modulation, is directly proportional to only the modulating voltage EM. Here in this, the MF, modulation index, is proportional to both amplitude modulation and also depends on frequency of modulating signal. Here it does not depend upon frequency, it depends upon only the amplitude. It is possible to receive FM on a PM receiver. If you construct a receiver, the PM receiver also receives the FM signal. Okay, but it does not receive AM signal. It is possible to receive FM signal, PM signal on a FM receiver. That means FM receiver or PM receiver are one and the same. So this receiver can receive both FM and PM. Next, noise immunity is better than AM and PM, FM. So noise immunity is better. Amplitude of FM wave is constant. In this case, amplitude remains constant. Here, the amplitude of FM is constant. Signal to noise ratio is better than that of PM. Signal to noise ratio is inferior to in FM. In this way, you can study the number of differences. Now let us see what is the difference between FM and AM. We know that the frequency modulated wave is obtained by varying the frequency in accordance with modulating signal, keeping carrier amplitude and carrier phase angle constant. Here, carrier amplitude is varied in accordance with the modulating signal, keeping FC and pi c constant. The modulation index of this FM wave is given by FM is proportional to EM by FM, whereas the modulation index of AM wave is given by MA is equal to EM by EC. This is the difference. Here it is EM by FM, it is EM by EC. And also in FM modulations, the modulation index is always greater than 1. Whereas in AM modulation, the modulation index is always less than 1. That is the important. So modulation index FM in the FM modulated wave, it is always greater than 1. Whereas in the AM wave, the modulation index of AM wave is always less than 1. In this way, there are many differences between FM and AM. And what is the bandwidth? The bandwidth is given by, in the case of FM, bandwidth is equal to 2 times delta F plus FM. Whereas the bandwidth in this case is just 2 FM. This is the bandwidth. In the FM where the bandwidth is very large, here the bandwidth is very small. FM wave has an infinite number of lower sideband and infinite number of upper sideband, whereas AM wave has only 2 sideband, one upper sideband and another one lower sideband. It has n number of upper sideband, n number of lower sideband, but this AM has only one lower sideband, one upper sideband. Thank you.